In this short video tutorial, you will learn how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Quiet mode is a feature that limits the notifications you receive from the app, allowing you to take a break and have some quiet time away from constant updates. However, if you want to go back to receiving all your notifications as usual, Elle will guide you through the process. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you're on this page, tap Notifications and then tap Quiet Mode. And now to turn off quiet mode on Instagram, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to this channel, Tech and Tech, for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.